Fresh hamburgers are definitely the best, but very often we don't have time or even motivation to prepare them. Properly prepared hamburgers can be frozen and then grilled whenever you like. An upside to this is saving time. You can prepare a lot of hamburgers on your day off and then freeze them all. In such condition, hamburgers have a long shelf life, which means you can take out a few burgers once in a while to make a quick and delicious meal. Now, frozen burgers will take longer to grill, and on top of that, it is a must to take care of all the conditions required to grill evenly so that you don't end up with raw meat on the inside. But when it comes to the flavor, on the other hand, the difference isn't really quite that huge compared to fresh burgers. Sure, someone experienced may feel the difference, but they will also admit that grilled frozen burgers actually taste quite good. Now, let's get into how to grill them. First, preheat the grill to a medium temperature, preferably about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Never start grilling frozen burger patties on a cold grill, and do take this advice really seriously. All the information in this guide was based on a warmed up grill. If you have a charcoal grill, then it's better to do this first. When it comes to certain types of grills, achieving the right temperature takes a lot of time. Next, take the frozen hamburgers out of the freezer and use a wooden spatula to separate them. If you have some spare time, then wait a few minutes for the hamburgers to thaw a little. It will be much easier to get them separated, and condiments will stick to the meat much better. So put some salt and pepper on the hamburgers or whatever else you like. Once the temperature inside the grill is just right, you can start grilling. Place the hamburgers on the grates and close the lid if your grill has one. Now, try to flip the hamburgers every 3 to 5 minutes over the next 15 to 25 minutes. It all depends on the freezing level of the meat and how thick it is. Normally, burger patties will need between 15 and 25 minutes to cook properly. The cooking time is largely determined by the thickness of the meat. Thicker patties will take longer to cook compared to slimmer ones. In case you're not sure whether the patties are properly cooked, you can actually use a meat thermometer to measure the internal temperature. A patty should be considered fully cooked if the internal temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Check the description down below for a link to show you step-by-step directions on how to cook these frozen burgers. Now you're going to have to preheat the grill to about 325 degrees Fahrenheit and grill them until the temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit so the burgers are fully cooked. And make sure you wash your hands very well after handling raw patties before you start cooking. Also, don't place the grilled burgers on the plates that carry the frozen ones. This way you will prevent contamination. For medium rare meat, the patty should cook for 3 minutes on one side and 4 minutes on the other. Medium cooked patties should cook for 3 minutes on each side on the charcoal grill. Now for cooking a Bubba burger on the grill, make sure the butter is sizzling first before adding the Bubba burger patty. Each side should cook for between 4 and 5 minutes. Add 3 slices of cheese on the meat during the final cooking minute and cover. The meat takes about 15 to 25 minutes, so all that is left for you to do is wait, and in the meantime get the buns and other things ready. You can warm up or grill the buns right before taking the meat off the grates if you prefer. With the meat done and with hot buns, all that is left to do is prepare delicious hamburgers using your favorite toppings. Alright, that's it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe so you get notified every time we come out with more mouth-watering material.